629. How to open it or what?
Oh, nice. Renovated.
Can you take the...
Ganda dating hati. Isa ka tiganap ka rito. Ako nag-video ka mga ngayon nila.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Okay. Oh my god. Aray ko. Where's the lights? Oh shit. Oh shit. As soon as you walk in, this is what you see. There's the closet on this side where you can hang your clothes. There's AC. And then full body mirror. There's the bathroom. Really nice bathroom, clean bathroom. And then bathtub. Then there's a table. No space here. It's awkward. I mean, there's space here, but it's awkward. Oh, it's empty. The bed, TV, and then there's a correct here fridge. Let's see if there's... Oh, there's no water. And then storage. Table. I see.
Which is that 18.
And yeah, that's it. So we're just gonna get cleaned up because I'm really tired and I look like a mess. So just got here at the hotel, guys. I'm currently laying down in bed. My sister is taking a shower. I'm just laying down here. Look how my hair is so oily, guys. Oh my gosh. But we just checked in like at 9:45 in the evening. We were at Anaheim. I think it's Anaheim. Anaheim the whole day at Disneyland. So we just got here. We stopped by at Packing District. It was kind of like Shirikia in Hawaii, but it's not really Japanese because it was like all with like desserts and stuff. So yeah, I'm just watching a what do you call show right now. I don't know what I'm watching, but I'm super tired. I haven't slept like almost 24 hours already. Yesterday I was at work till 1, and I get home till like 5 or 6, and then didn't sleep because then I only had like 2 or 3 hours the night prior to that. So yeah, and I only slept on the plane for like 3 hours because I was watching Jumanji, but that's pretty much it. Look how tired I am. And then my lashes came off during the roller coaster ride that we had at Disneyland. Oh my god. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get freshened up to take off my makeup and sleep afterwards, brush my teeth, and yeah. Hey lovelies, so we're here at the hotel room right now, and I just want to show you guys what's in my makeup bag and travel essentials. So first two things that I have here are makeup wipes. So I'm just using this brand from Equate. This is what you get at Walmart for like 99 cents. Ooh, I am I not focused? Hey lovely, so we're here at the hotel room right now, and I just want to quickly show you guys what I bring in my makeup bag and travel essential when I'm traveling. So the first two things that I have here are wipes. So this is a makeup wipe, and this one is just a regular wipe from Huggies. I got these at Walmart. It's just the 99-cent one, and I forgot how much this one was, probably like $1 or something. And then here is just like the essentials, you know, shampoo and conditioner, and then my toothbrush. I forgot to bring toothpaste, but yeah, Extradrin just for headache or migraine, and then exfoliating facial scrub from Clean and Clear. This is just a sample or travel size. And then I got the BH cosmetic bag that I got from TJ Maxx a few days ago. I also got all the brushes with me. The only thing I brought extra is my Anastasia brow what is this, brow brush and number 12, and then the Real Techniques I think this is the concealer brush. So yeah, and then this one is just my extra bag for like essentials. So I had 2 masks, but I used one in the plane already, and this is another one. This is in honey, so I'm going to use this tonight. My perfume, this is from Oxygen from the Philippines. I got my ColourPop foundation here. This is the no filter foundation, and I have it here because it's like this and it doesn't have the pump. I don't know what happened with it. And then this one is from one of my Ipsy bag. This is the Bye Bye Frizz silicone free Marc Anthony leave-in conditioner for your hair to protect it from heat and whatnot. So it's the first time I'm trying this. It smells good, by the way. Yeah, it does. It smells good. Have Strepsils just in case I get runny nose or coughing, and then just throw stuff inside there. So this is my makeup bag, guys. I was able to fit it all in here, and let's start with my lipstick today. I use 2 different lipsticks. I used the NYX Liquid Suede, this one at first, but I looked really dead. It doesn't look this brown on me. So this is Sandstorm. It looks like that. And then this one is Trust Issues, and that's what I'm wearing right now from Anastasia. So let's go in this pocket right here. So just a few mini products. So I got 2 mascaras. One is from Marc Jacob, the other one is from Makeup Forever, and then this one is the ColourPop brow boss gel. I didn't try it yet, so try to figure out if I can try it on this trip. I have the Ico London Black Liquid eyeliner, and then my Tarte concealer Shape Tape. And then on the other pocket, I have my lash glue, a duo. And this is the only one I could find. I normally use Ardell, but I couldn't find it. And lashes that I'm using right now, it's not from Ardell. It's actually from TJ Maxx. I forgot what it was, but it was, these lashes are the mink lashes. So I was wearing them today. It's just really right here, and I liked it. I'll probably just post a picture on how it looks like right here, so you guys can tell. I also have this mirror right here, pocket size mirror from Anastasia. And then I have my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC35. I have my LA Girl HD Pro Matte Foundation. This is what I use, and it's still on there, guys. It's still intact. And yeah, and then my contour today and highlight would be this from Wet n Wild. This is the Dolce de Leche shade. And then I have my matte blur primer from ColourPop, and this is what I use to prime my face. I'm also gonna try this one. This is the No Filter setting powder from ColourPop, which is a translucent. My Laura Mercier was too big, so I brought this with me. It spilled, but I didn't really get to use it that much, so I'm gonna try it. I also have my ColourPop pomade or brow pigment. This is in the shade Blonde Moment, and the cap is broken, but if you just twist it and then do it the other way, it will open. My highlighter is the ColourPop I Like Your Face palette. You guys already know, and it's still on there, guys. Look at that. And I applied this at 6 a.m. No, not 6 a.m. It was about 5:30, like 30 minutes before we land here in LA. So got there, and right now it is 10:20. So it's been on my face for 13 hours, and love, guys, I like it. And then my palette for this strip is the Cute AF from ColourPop DSP's palette. I'm gonna try and put these shades to use, so that's what I'm gonna use. I use a stencil for putting on lashes, so this is what I use. This one came with the Ardell pack that you get from TJ Maxx or Longs or CVS. And then I have a few more liquid lipstick just in case the Ico one is not good. I have the BH liquid eyeliner and the Essence Superfine liquid eyeliner. And then I got two of the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil and the Brow Boss. This one is really hard to use. Oh wait, it's not this one. This one, I should say, the Precision Brow, because it's like really hard to twist over here. But I like this product. It's like the right color, and a little goes a long way, so I like that. I also have just a regular pencil. I'm trying on the box of black liner in Call Me. This is, I just recently picked it up at TJ Maxx a few days ago. And then these are my liquid products. So I have Anastasia Stripped, which is, I'm gonna try it into an ombre with Spice from MAC. This is a lip pencil. And then, since I'm already talking about MAC, I also have this one. This is the lip pencil in Night Moth, and it's a purple shade. And with that, I'm gonna try and use a Nevermind, a matte lippy stick from ColourPop, which looks like that. And then I have a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in a Gemini. I also have this one right here from ColourPop, which is the All Star Face Setting Spray. I might just do a ColourPop Get Ready With Me, since most of my items are from ColourPop. And yeah. And then Salem, of course, which is my favorite brown shade from Lime Crime. And I have Heathers from Anastasia, which is a red brown shade. And that's pretty much it. That's all I have in this bag, and everything fits in this bag. The only thing is it's super heavy. But yeah, that's all I have. And I'm gonna try to do a Get Ready With Me tomorrow if I have time. And yeah, because I like the lighting, really looks nice. But that's pretty much it, guys. I will end the video right here. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload. And I just posted a new video today. Please make sure that you watch it, because tomorrow there's going to be a giveaway video, and I will be posting it maybe around 12 p.m. LA time. So that way you guys can watch out for that. And that's pretty much it. I won't upload this video until I probably get back to Hawaii because I don't have my laptop. But that's pretty much it. And yeah, so don't forget to comment down below on what you guys want to see next. And don't forget to share this video and whatnot. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, lovelies.